welcome back to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix is Marcia. Now, Marcia is doing things differently tonight, and she is making a good impression. Let's see what she's doing. So, today it's a different thing. Marcia is up and about, and she's doing makeup tutorials. Now, she's showing people how she does her makeup. And she says that everyone does their makeup differently, but she just wanted to show how she does hers. Now, she was open to, a little review from people, just if they would have come live with her to show her how it is done. But other than that, she wanted to do it on her own, how she does it, and she wanted to show, how it's done. So, guys, please go over and watch what she has to say. She's still talking her little stuff in between, but just go ahead and watch her. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe on the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a beautiful day.
She talk, I know Marcia loves you small. So it's like when you laugh, you just your cheekbone just light up. Like a Christmas tree. Yes, I tell you. It just light up like a Christmas tree. Yes, my dear. Then Marcia, she love a blush. Oh, I'm looking so pretty, honey. I'm looking so pretty. Yes, my dear. And then you could take a little bit of the highlighter. You can take a little bit of the highlighter, honey. I tell you. And you take a tip right there, so, and put it at your nose. Right there. So it glows like a Christmas tree. I tell you. Yes, my dear. And if you choose to, you can take a little bit of the highlighter and you can mark like a little something, like right across your eyes. Right up there, so. You can put it under or you can put it up at top. You can put it right up at top and just go right there. So you want to pop. So the little highlighter gives you a little glow, honey. I tell you. So then, when don't cuss me. But they mash up. Me little blushy. Oh, Marcia, don't go nowhere to blush. No, my dear. I don't go nowhere without me blushy. So this now, this is the brush you're supposed to use for the highlighter, right? This is the type of brush you're supposed to use the highlighter. You're supposed to bend it, and this is what you're supposed to use for the highlighter. So there's different brush for different things, but this one is definitely for the cheek. Can you see it bend like a fan? And you can just, that is what it is. After me, that me not busy with the professional name, but this me use. So, me know, I cannot live, honey child. I can't live. You know what they say? I can't live without some dicky. Yes, my dear, it's makeup in the chat. This one, I can't live. Someone who can't live without it. Me, Marcia can't live without a blush. So I like peach and I love something. Yes, my dear. That's not me say I sing a song for them. You know, some people can't live with it. Me can't live without my this. So me know, me don't want to mess up all of my brush them. Me not ready to use my brush them. Me going to use this one. So I take this now because I love and I put it over the bronze. I'm just like